Hi, welcome to the Little House Learn to Sew series. My name is Ingalls Gunn. In this video, I am going to show you how to print out your PDF pattern pieces as well as your instructional guide. Once you purchase the pattern, you were sent two files, one which contained the PDF pattern pieces and one which contained your instructional guide. From there, you just need to download, and it is recommended that you print out in Adobe Acrobat. If you don't happen to have a printer at home, you are more than welcome to take or send the file to any office supply store that offers printing services. Once you have purchased your pattern, you're going to download the file, and then you will find it in your downloads. So on mine, it says half pint pinafore, and it's attached as a PDF, so I just click on that, and you can see that it brings up the pattern pieces. And the very first page has a test square, so you will want to specify that you only want to print this first page first, just to make sure that your printing alignments are ready to go. And you'll just take a ruler to ensure that it is 3 by 3 inches. So let's go ahead and print this first page out. So I'm going to click on my printer icon, and I'm going to specify that I just want this first page. And then I'm going to hit my print button, and I've got it attached to my printer. So once we have this first page, here's our test square. And sure enough, it's at 3 inches. So I now know that I am ready to print out this entire pattern. So once again, I am going to click on my printer icon. On my computer, it is right up here. And since we've already done that first page, I now only need to print pages 2 through 14, which you can see that I specified right here. And I'm ready to hit print. And again, this is set up, ready to go with my paper. Now that you have your PDF pattern and instruction guide, you will want to go find the corresponding sewing tutorials for that garment. You can find them in the Little House Sewing playlist, which I've linked down below in the description box. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave it down in the comments below. As always, I appreciate a thumbs up, and happy sewing.